Understanding Level 1 quotes in stock trading. In the world of stock trading, understanding market quotes is crucial for making informed decisions. Among these, Level 1 quotes hold significant importance. They are a type of trading screen that displays the best bid and ask prices, along with volume information for a particular security in real time. This article will delve deeper into the concept of Level 1, compare it with higher-level quotes, and explore its relevance in today's trading environment. What are Level 1 quotes? Level 1 quotes provide fundamental price data for a given security, presenting two key figures: the highest price that a buyer is willing to pay, the bid, and the lowest price at which a seller is willing to sell, the ask. Additionally, they often display the volume of shares being traded at these prices. For example, if a Level 1 quote displays a bid of $4.90 for 500 shares and an ask of $5 for 100 shares, it provides essential real-time insights into the market for that security. Key features of Level 1 quotes. Real-time data. Level 1 quotes provide immediate data, reflecting the most current market conditions. Best bid and ask. They show the national best bid and offer, NBBO, which is critical for executing trades at optimal prices. Basic information, sufficient for many investors, particularly long-term traders or those who do not require granular market insights. The evolution of Level 1 quotes. Before the rise of online trading and the Internet, accessing Level 1 quotes was a challenge for individual investors. However, advancements in technology have democratized access, making these quotes widely available, often for free, on various platforms like brokerage websites, financial news portals, and trading apps. Today, they play a vital role for many retail investors and can aid in executing trades more efficiently, particularly in volatile markets where price fluctuations can happen rapidly. Who benefits from Level 1 quotes? Level 1 quotes are particularly beneficial for long-term investors, ideal for those who focus on the fundamentals of stocks without being concerned about short-term price movements. They can set their price expectations based on bid and ask data. Casual traders, investors who may only trade occasionally and do not need extensive data, can rely on Level 1 quotes for making timely decisions. Comparison with Level 2 and Level 3 quotes. The U.S. stock market features three tiers of quotes. 1. Level 1 quotes, basic price data including the best bid and ask price and size. 2. Level 2 quotes, these provide a deeper level of detail by showing market depth, revealing multiple levels of bid and ask prices, typically the 5 to 10 best offers on either side. Active traders often use this information to assess where major buy and sell orders are concentrated, as well as to identify tighter bid-ask spreads. 3. Level 3 quotes, the most comprehensive level. These include all the features of Level 1 and Level 2 and additionally allow brokers to enter or modify orders, execute trades, and send order confirmations. Primarily designed for market makers and institutional traders, Level 3 quotes offer higher control over trade execution. Example scenario. Consider an active trader analyzing a stock with the following Level 1 and Level 2 quotes. Level 1 quote, bid, $4.90, 500 shares, ask, $5, 100 shares. Level 2 quote, this may expose additional orders, such as 1,000 shares at $5.11, indicating stronger resistance than what Level 1 data suggest. In this scenario, Level 2 insights can reveal vulnerabilities in the stock support and resistance that Level 1 alone would miss. Conclusion. Level 1 quotes serve as a foundational tool for many investors in the stock market. Their simplicity and accessibility make them sufficient for long-term investors and casual traders, while more active market participants may prefer the additional insights provided by Level 2 and Level 3 quotes. Understanding the role of Level 1 quotes and their relationship with higher-level data is essential for investors aiming to navigate the complexities of trading successfully. As trading technology continues to advance, having a clear grasp of these concepts will undoubtedly enhance one's trading acumen.